Channel, folks. Today we've got a mad one for you and a dangerous one for me. This is somewhere I really shouldn't be, not because of security, but because of well, potentially bad people. So I'm in a really rough area, and this is an abandoned leisure centre. As you can see, folks, as you can see, this place has been done over properly. Now it's an easy way in as well, right on a rough estate, so I need to be so careful here. Probably not a good idea coming on my own, but we've got to take risks now and again, folks, haven't we? So let's go with the explore. So as you can see, this would have been the main area. Now it has been done in, folks, this place has. As you can see, we've got the old stuff there. Now I will be whispering, folks. I will be whispering all. If I hear anything, any sort of noise, I'm out of here. Because it's just not worth it. This is a dodgy place. Right. Okay. So let's carry on, folks. Now this leisure centre has been abandoned for a while. I don't think we'll be going through this way, folks. Look at that. Oh no. That looks mad. I don't think we'll be going that way, folks, to be fair. I don't fancy walking through all that. Let's backtrack a minute. So as you just come through here, folks, so that's where I've come in. And it was just like that. So anyone can come in, really. And it looks like anyone just does come in. Now, as you can see, because of where it's situated and because of how easy it is to get in, this place has been absolutely decimated. Look at this, we've got an old squash court, and if you come in the squash court, you'll see there is an upstairs, folks. Okay, right. So, move on a minute. That's another squash court. Yeah, look what's happened here, folks. Okay. This is all like an entrance, look at this. Yo. It's a swimming bath along there. That's incredible. What the hell? Alright. Let's risk it over here, folks. Now this place is quite big. Oh no. We might be accessed off. Okay. Yeah, it is. Oh shit. That's the only way, folks, to see it all. We've got to walk through this. If we want to see the rest of the leisure centre, folks. Looks like we've got to go through all this. Oh my god. It's a full swimming bath. Oh man. How deep's that? Someone's in here. Right, folks. We are getting out. That's enough for me. That's enough for me, folks. I aren't risking it down there. Let's get out of here. That's the end of that one, folks. I do apologise that I had to bust out, but sometimes that's just the way it is. I heard someone the other side of all that mess. Well, I don't know if it was just me hearing things, but I didn't fancy traipsing through all that. I thought I could have explored it all, but never mind. Right, and folks, I'll be seeing you on the next one. Yeti! And we're back again. Right, folks, we are, for this one, just visiting a location we've been before. Let's just get us in round here because they've done a real good job of this gate, as you can see. So the other part of this building looked a lot better and untouched than the other parts. The lights were still on in there, so I'm going to try and get back in. If the alarm goes off, then we'll have to go and just come to scope out, see what's going on, and see if anyone's boarded up the entrance that we used to get in previously. You see the solar panel CCTV up there? That's a bit mad. I didn't see that last time. I don't know if they were there, but let's just quickly walk past here. There is a door open there, folks, so we don't want people see us. Okay, I got in through here last time, folks. Okay, it seems this place has been boarded up from the last time. We'll have a quick whip round. Never walked round this far on the outside before when I was last here. We just saw that way in and got straight in there. So it looks like when I come here last time, folks, it was a real good time to come, because it seems that now things have been sealed up. Let's have a quick look around here. Okay, this seems like a bit of a better way, folks, I think. So last time, to get into that building, we had to get on that roof. So, but I think I can see the old way in from here, and it looks like it's been boarded up, folks. So, might not be a way in. Can't tell if that's a camera there. No, I don't think it is. A little car park here, folks, look at that. I'd love to get the Yeti bus on there for the night. How ace would that be? Damn, you just poked yourself in the eye. Okay. Right. Yeah, last time we were on this roof, it was this roof we got up on. So I might have to try and get on there, folks, to see if we can still get in. Looks like there's some climbing blocks down here, to be fair. What's this? Have we got a climbing frame here, have we? Ute. Let's get out of here. So it was me last time. So it was me that set it off last time. That's exactly what happened last time. Oh shit. That's exactly what happened last time, that is. Stopped. Oh, it's actually been turned off already. That screamed off, that alarm did, right next to me ears, man. That was loud. The alarm got turned off relatively quick. But even still, that shit me up, folks. So yeah, doesn't look like I'm going to be able to go back and see the bits I've missed. Obviously them bits with power on are alarmed for a reason while the rest isn't. But yes folks, I think we've got away with that. So there you go. We're not going to be able to go back, but nice one for today folks. That was mad. Stick a like on this video for me if you've enjoyed what you've seen, and also if you haven't already, hit that sub button for us for more content like this, for more craziness like this. Until next time folks, I'll be seeing you. You stay safe, have a good one. Yeti. Welcome back to the fan channel.